Paul Hersey, Management of Organizational Behavior, Utilizing Human Resources. In the book Management of Organizational Behavior, Utilizing Human Resources, author Paul Hersey delves into the world of Mayo Clinic, the first non-profit medical group practice and an institution renowned for its exceptional quality healthcare. Through its continued growth, Mayo Clinic has adhered to three fundamental principles: prioritizing patient interests, grouping talent to form a unified workforce, and providing care efficiently. This summary takes you on a journey through Mayo Clinic's patient-first approach, teamwork culture, structure and governance, and its strategy of a destination medicine, which ensures rapid and efficient delivery of clinical care. Discover how Mayo Clinic's philosophies and practices can be applied in your own service organization to achieve success and distinction.
The Mayo Clinic, a medical Mecca. The Mayo Clinic is a non-profit medical group practice that is highly regarded by patients and their families as a medical Mecca. Dr. William Worrell Mayo founded the clinic in Rochester, Minnesota, in the late 1800s, and his sons continued his vision and values. By the 1880s, the practice was known for quality care, and by 1914, it took the name the Mayo Clinic. Word-of-mouth marketing was so effective that it didn't need marketing staff until 1986. The clinic grew and expanded by absorbing other hospitals and now has campuses in Arizona and Florida that function as a single organization. In 2007, it had over 520,000 patient registrations and generated $7.3 billion in revenue. The clinic's success is attributed to its focus on execution and delivering the promised performance. Mayo Clinic, more than medical care. Mayo Clinic's three-shield system prioritizes patient care, research, and medical education. The clinic's robust research program, with over 7,000 ongoing projects, complements its focus on clinical medicine. With a notable medical school, Mayo physicians remain actively involved in advancing medical knowledge. Service organizations and Mayo Clinic. Mayo Clinic's service structure is highly transferable to service businesses despite the differences. In the book, Simply Better, the author highlights that the focus should not be on the best structure, but the most effective one to execute a strategy. Service businesses like yours and Mayo Clinic have elements in common such as intangible services, skill and labor-intensive work, client representation by staff, urgent service needs, uneven demand, flexible service provision, and resource deployment. Coordinating interdependent elements is also crucial in meeting varied customer needs. Mayo Clinic's enduring service culture. Mayo Clinic's excellence in patient care is built on a culture that combines engineering and artistry. This enduring service culture is sustained by mutual respect, teamwork, trust, listening, inclusion, teammate contribution, and fair treatment. Mayo merges this culture with its quality strategy, efficient management, and thoughtful systems to provide top services with an emphasis on patients' needs. Its reputation is a result of the excellence of its clinical tests and analysis and its organizational efficiency. Mayo Clinic's mission-driven approach. Mayo Clinic's culture of collaboration and mission-driven approach has led to its success in providing medical care efficiently while prioritizing patient interests. The company groups talent to create a union of forces and hires based on values and potential growth rather than just current qualifications, leading to a high retention rate for quality staff members. This approach distinguishes Mayo Clinic and has helped its employees develop knowledge and skills. The patient-first approach. Mayo Clinic's primary value is prioritizing patients' needs, which permeates through every aspect of their operations and success. This core value is deeply ingrained culturally, and any staff member has the authority to consult with someone higher up the chain of command to address a patient's needs. Discretionary effort is a part of their work culture as Mayo staffers volunteer to make patients comfortable and go the extra mile. Furthermore, new clinics joining the Mayo health system adopt these patient-first core values. Collaborative healthcare at Mayo Clinic. Mayo Clinic's team-based approach to patient care emphasizes collaboration, cooperation, and coordination among physicians and healthcare professionals. The organization's philosophy, as summarized by a former CEO of IBM, stresses the importance of culture in achieving success. Mayo Clinic's treatment plans involve input from various medical professionals, including surgeons, nurses, dietitians, and physical rehabilitation specialists. They also consult with the patient's local primary care doctor to ensure cohesive care. The organization creates a respectful work environment that supports teamwork and encourages employees to ask for assistance when needed. Mayo Clinic's structure emphasizes functionality and team-based care. Physicians are salaried and do not receive incentivized payments, providing no financial gain to keep patients within their ambit. This approach promotes referrals to colleagues and supports a more comprehensive approach to healthcare. By utilizing this collaborative approach, Mayo Clinic provides patients with high-quality, personalized care that instills a sense of brand reassurance, as seen in its impeccable reputation among patients. Mayo Clinic's patient-focused governance. Mayo Clinic's centralized management philosophy supports its patient-focused governance, which prioritizes projects and funding based on patient and institutional education and research initiatives. With 2,500 physicians and MDs in top management positions, Mayo Clinic maintains a peer relationship between practicing physicians and institutional leaders, with physician leaders rotating in and out of executive roles while continuing to practice medicine to keep their connection with patients. Newly hired administrative leaders must adapt to the strengths and styles of their physician peers to uphold Mayo Clinic's signature image of providing a definitive answer to patients. The efficient and integrated medical system of Mayo Clinic. Mayo Clinic's third big idea, destination medicine, focuses on providing patients with an integrated approach to comprehensive treatments, enabling them to complete a sequence of exams and visits in just 1 week. This eliminates the lag times commonly found in other healthcare systems, reducing stress, travel time, and cost. Mayo Clinic's efficient scheduling of services is one manifestation of its integration of engineering and artistry. Smart scheduling is a crucial part of meeting patients' needs. Mayo's integrated system of records and mechanical system designed to move physical records even before patients arrive, turned to electronic records in the 1990s. Today, a team of 50 analysts and industrial engineers optimizes efficiency and balances capacity and demand to benefit patients from seamless service delivery, and Mayo benefits from optimizing its productivity. The power of clues. Consumers perceive and sense 3 kinds of clues: functional, mechanic, and humanic, about their service experiences. Mayo Clinic emphasizes how these clues work together to contribute to patient experiences of their brand. Thriving with a culture of respect. Learn from the Mayo Clinic's culture of excellence, alignment, and teamwork to drive your organization's success. By fostering internally motivated staff, aligning structure with strategy, and challenging employees to improve performance, Mayo has become a leading healthcare brand in America. Their success is a testament to the power of consistent execution and a culture of respect.
Mayo Clinic's success is built on consistent execution of its 3 guiding principles: fostering a culture of respect, and continually striving for excellence. Its patient-first approach, emphasis on teamwork and collaboration, and efficient scheduling of services have made it a pioneer in healthcare. Furthermore, Mayo Clinic's seamless integration of engineering and artistry demonstrates the power of combining technical efficiency with a warm, welcoming environment for patients. As you conclude this summary, reflect on the lessons that Mayo Clinic provides, and consider how your service organization can adapt these principles by aligning structure with brand, and striving for continuous improvement. By doing so, you can create an environment where staff are motivated to deliver excellent care and results within your organization.